Today, your home search is over because we have the perfect house for you. Situated in the heart of Osage Beach, this property has all the intangibles. This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Today we're at 651 Red Fox Lane in Osage Beach. Let's go take a look around. This property has been meticulously cared for. It offers 4 beds, 3 baths, this beautiful spacious open floor plan with 2 living spaces and vaulted ceilings. Thanks for checking out this gorgeous home with us. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.